Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zeke, the programming guy. In today's video guys, I'll be helping you with how to share Facebook Reels to TikTok. It's very easy. So if you come across a Facebook Reel and you want to share it on TikTok, but you don't know how to go about it, this video will help you learn how to do it. Now let's get started with the process. The first step to take is to, of course, open your Facebook app and then head to your Facebook profile, select the Reels option, and select the reel you want to share to your TikTok. For example, this one, because it's the only reel I have here. Now I'm just going to click on the share option on the right hand side. Now, if you click on that, if you look at the bottom of the screen, you see options where you can share this reels to, and unfortunately, there's no TikTok there. Even if you click on the more icon at the bottom right corner, you won't be able to see the TikTok option right here. So what can you do? Now, all you can do right now is just scroll down, and you find this option to copy. Copy the link to this reel. Go out from your Facebook app, head to any browser and visit fdown.net. fdown.net. Now, once you are on fdown.net, what you're going to do now is to let me go back. Yeah, so this is the home page of fdown.net. So what you're going to do right now is to paste the link you just copied in this box, paste it right here, and hit the download button. Then it will fetch the video of the Facebook reel which you copied the link. So once it fetches it, it will bring up information about the Facebook reel, like the video title, description, and the duration of the video. Now, if you look right here, you find the option to download video in normal quality or in HD quality. So I can choose to download these in the normal quality, and then you find the option to download at the bottom of your screen. Click on download. Now it's downloaded, so I can just go back, open my file, and go to where it's being saved on my phone. So here's it. So what I can do next is to repost this video on my TikTok account. So it's that simple, guys, and that's the only way to go about this. Alright, so that's how you can easily share Facebook Reels to TikTok. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, give this video a like and please subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching.